Tara saved the day. Come on, Twiggy. We gotta save that acorn.
Acorn rescued. Twiggy and Tara saved the day.
Whee!
Whee!
Yay!
Yeah!
Ready, Twiggy?
Ready, Tara? Go! Go! Yay!
Yay!
Hey! Seesaw rocket ship, 3, 2, 1.
Whee!
Woohoo! Uh-oh.
Twiggy!
It's okay, you're okay.
Twiggy's broken.
I'll fix it. I'll find you an even better Twiggy.
Twiggy.
Mama Didi, I'm so sad. Twiggy broke.
Oh, poor Twiggy. No wonder you're sad. You loved him.
I did love him so much.
And I love you so much.
Lola!
I better go catch Lola. Mwah. I know you're still sad, and I'm right over there if you need me. Lola, that's not your nappy.
Look, Barnaby, I found you a twig. It's even bigger than Twiggy. Hello, Barnaby. I will be a special twig.
It's too big for my pocket. This twig isn't Twiggy.
But it's a twig. Twiggy's just a twig.
Twiggy wasn't just a twig. He was my extra special twig. What if I tried to give you a different dinosaur?
I wouldn't like that. Tara's my special dinosaur. I love her.
Twiggy was my special twig. I loved him.
Oh, I'll make Twiggy all better. Twiggy, you need to stick back together right now. Oh, no. You'll have to stay together, Twiggy. For Barnaby. I'm sorry, Barnaby. Twiggy broke. And I'm so sad because you loved him. And I can't fix him. And now he's two Twiggies.
Two Twiggies.
Yeah, 'cause Twiggy broke. And now you're sad. And I'm sad 'cause you're sad.
Two Twiggies. No, Twiggy isn't broken. Twiggy is twins like Aiden and Lola.
Twins?
Yep. Twiggin and Twilla saved the day.
How about we...
It's Dots! There she is!
I love Dots.
Who'd like to go outside and say hello to Dots?
Me! Okay. Hi, Dots. Aww. Did you come to say hello to us, Dots?
Does she like tummy rubs?
Let's ask her, shall we? Dots, how would you like a tummy rub?
Look, Shella, she wants one.
I think she does.
Me first. Me too.
I do. I don't want to.
Why not?
I just don't want to.
Gus, you don't have to play with Dots if you don't feel like it.
I know. I'm just going to watch.
Look, she likes it. There's a dog fly at my papa's stable, and he sits for me when he wants a treat. Look, maybe she wants a treat.
Lucky I have some carroty treats with me. Do you want to give her one, Elodie?
Oui, s'il vous plaît. Voila. Aw, she's so funny when she takes a treat. I want to give her a treat too. Okay, Shella?
Sure.
Me too.
Here you go.
Yeah! Here, Dots. Dotsy Dots, you want a pat? She loves me.
Aw, she didn't take my treat.
Dotsy Dots, tummy rub time.
Dots, I'll give you a tummy rub. Come here to me. Today is a rainy day.
Very rainy. I love the rain. It sounds like this. Drop, shh. Drop, shh. Drop, shh. Da-da-da-da whoosh. Da-da-da-da whoosh. Da-da-da-da whoosh.
Does anybody have a favourite thing about the rain?
I do.
Me!
What's your favourite thing, Barnaby?
Rainbows.
Oh, yes, I love rainbows too. What about you, Elodie? Do you have a favourite thing about the rain?
When it stops.
My favorite thing about the rain is puddles.
That's my favorite too.
No, puddles are my favorite.
I know. They're my favorite too.
They were my favorite first. You have to pick something else, Lou.
I don't want to pick something else.
We can't have the same favorite.
We can have the same favorite, Declan.
No, everybody has to have a different favorite. So pick something else.
Okay, Bugs. Who's up for some art time?
Yay! Art time! Splish, splish, splash! Splish, splish, splash! Splish, splish, splash! Splish, splish, splash! Yay!
Splashing in puddles was my favorite first.
Okay, Bugs. How about you paint rainy day pictures?
Wow!
Lou, you're painting puddles. I told you, puddles are my favorite. You need to paint something else.
Puddles are my favorite too.
My favorite.
Oh, I like your puddle painting, Lou. Really splashy. Très splashy.
Yeah, great. Puddles, Lou. Stop it.
What's going on here, Declan?
Puddles are my favorite, not Lou's. I said it first. I feel...
Ah, I understand. Did you want splashing in puddles to be only your favourite? It can be okay to have the same favourite as your friends. You get to share it then, which can be even more fun. All right then. How about we go play outside?
Okay.
I love the colours you chose for your tree, Barnaby.
Thanks, Shella.
And the colours you chose for your face.
Oh. Whoops.
And one more to make our dragonfly. Be careful. Et voila! I like it. Me too. Bzz, 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 bzz. Ah, dragonfly! Bzz, bzz, bzz. Okay, Tent, stay up.
I'm a huff and puff monster. I'll blow your tent down.
Ta-da! Do you like it, Declan?
What is it?
It's a star. A superstar. I made it for my mama.
Oh, a superstar. I love it.
What are you making?
A smush.
What's a smush?
This. 3, 2, 1, smush.
Mama's gonna love you, superstar.
Okay, Bugs. It's tidy up time.
Okay.
How fast can you clean up today?
Yay!
Yay.
La 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 la.
La 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 la. 1, 2, 3, smush. Roar! I'm the tidy up monster. I tidy monster first. Roar!
Ah! up, monster! Run! Gotcha! Roar! Roar!
I'm a tidy up monster too. Roar!
Roar! Smash! Tidy up, monster! Roar! Roar! All done!
That was the speediest cleaning up I've ever seen. Wow!
Where's my superstar?
What happened, Biba?
My star! I can't find the superstar I made for my mama. It must be here somewhere. We'll help you look for it, Biba. I don't see it anywhere. Cupcakes, 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 cupcakes! Cupcakes, cupcakes, cupcakes! Oh, hi, Barnaby.
Why are we saying cupcakes over and over?
I don't want to say.
Oh, okay then.
Celebrate those cupcakes for snack time! Cupcakes! Shh! Don't tell anyone. I want it to be a surprise.
Sure, okay.
Cupcakes, cupcakes, cupcakes! Hi, goes. Wanna build a tower with me? Ooh, sure. Fly, fly as high as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the flying gingerbread pea. Come back here. I want to eat you. Whee!
Cupcakes! Oh! Cupcakes!
Oh, I love cupcakes.
Me too.
I wish I had a cupcake right now.
Biba, guess what? Shella made us cupcakes for snack time.
We're getting cupcakes? Woohoo!
Cupcakes! Choo-choo-choo-choo!
Cupcakes. Can't catch me, I'm the cupcake pea. Can't catch me, I'm the cupcake pea. Can't catch me, I'm the cupcake pea. Can't catch me, I'm the cupcake pea.
Cupcake pea!
I love our cupcake song. Me too. And guess what? We're getting cupcakes at snack time. We're getting cupcakes? Yeah, Shella made them for us. Cupcakes, yum, yum, yum. Cupcakes, in my turn. Hey, Elodie, want some disgusting soup? No, merci. I'm going to have the cupcakes that Shella made for us for snack time. We're getting cupcakes! Cupcakes! Here, thank you. Declan! Oops, sorry. I'm just so excited we're getting cupcakes. Ah! We're getting cupcakes? How do you know about the cupcakes? I wanted it to be a surprise. We're getting cupcakes. Sing along. We're getting cupcakes. Ding, dang, dong.
Bugs, meet our new class pet. Roly-poly Rolland.
Ooh, adorable. Wow, look at him. Cute. Roly-poly Rolland is really roly-poly. He's a super-duper roly-poly. Super, super duper. Yay! Wow! That was so cute. I love your roly-polies, Rolland. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Do you like that, Rolland? Yay! Yay! Looks like you loved it. Oh, Lou, I want to do a super tickly roly-poly. Okay. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Whee! I can roly-poly like Rolland. My turn. Sounds like you go. Tickle, 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 tickle. Wee! Wee! Tickle, tickle, tickle. Rolland, Why didn't you roly-poly?
Yeah.
Okay, Bugs. It's playtime.
Yay, playtime! Come on, Rolland. I want to keep playing with you. Your turn now, okay, Rolland? You want to play something else? Oh, how about this, Rolland? You want to play catch? You want to play hide and seek, Rolland? I love that game too. Come out, wherever you are. Come out, wherever you are. Rolland, found you! Okay, now it's my turn. Rolland, what are you doing? That's a great idea.
You look sad, Lou. What happened?
I'm sad that roly-poly Rolland doesn't want to play with me. He's just curled up and not doing anything.
You can play with me if you want. I'm playing family. Now I'm waiting for Aiden P and Lola P to wake up from their naps so I can play with them.
Why don't you just wake them up now so you can play?
No, Lou. At home, Aiden and Lola get tired all the time and don't want to do anything until they've rested.
Ooh, Barnaby! Do you think Rolland might have been tired and wanted a rest?
Maybe he was yawning, and that's what Aiden and Lola do when they get tired.
Let's go check.
Okay. Rolland is definitely a resting roly-poly. And he snores the same way Lola does.
I'll wait until he wakes up, and I'll see if he wants to play then.
How about we start today with playtime?
Yay! Patient P! Dinosaurs! Tomato tracks for the tomato train. I need one more thing. Oh! Tomato train. They're all done. My pumpkin pit stop shop is now open.
Pumpkin Pit Stop, I love it there.
That's my granny and granddad's shop. Me and Penelope want to buy something. We've got lots of fun things to buy, like food and rockets and dinosaurs. I don't need any of those things.
Just you, tomato train.
Wait, where'd you go? Oh, and a tomato train. The tomato train, no! I want to play with that. Hey, Declan, there's a queue. Remember, when you buy something in my shop, I want you to say, pumpkin please.
Pumpkin please, pumpkin please.
Hi, Barnaby. What would you like to buy?
Let me see.
I know what I want.
I'm before you.
Aww.
I'll have a rocket. Pumpkin please.
Okay.
I'm going to fly it to the moon.
Blast off! Bloop. Beep, boop, beep, beep, beep. That's a 2000. Pumpkin, please. Keep the change. Come back soon.
Thank you. Woo.
Next. I'd like to buy a friend for Penelope. Did you forget something? Oh, yeah. Pumpkin, please. Of course. Thank you. Hi, Peter. Hi, Penelope. Welcome to the Pumpkin Pit Stop, Elodie. Don't forget to say pumpkin, please. Let me see. Would you like a tomato train? Tomato choo-choo.
No.
Choo-choo. No, thank you. May I have a donut? No. A dinosaur? No. A donut. How about a donut store? Roar! I'm a donut store! I'd love a donut store. Pumpkin, please. Thank you. Rawr, I'm pumpkin delicious. Thank you. Come again. Next.
Pick something quick.
Welcome to the Pumpkin Pit Stop, Gus. If you want to buy something, don't forget to say, pumpkin, please.